traders, and welcome to our weekly outlook. I hope you are good and hope you took some profit in the previous week. And I hope that you already check our previous weekly outlook, because if you do, you can see actually you can made some money. We told you, actually we forecast for you that there was some nice movement, and if you are smart enough, you will be able to trade them. Okay, if not, then you should watch and maybe you will learn something from our free weekly market outlooks. Okay, so today I will show you again a forecast for a upcoming week. Okay, so let's start. If you are following us, you will be able to find the setup on USD CHF on right time. Okay, if we will take a look, I posted that on September 19 that the price will bounce off from that top and it will start falling. Okay, if you did a really good job. Okay, we in our trading community, we took a sell from here. Now we will just watch if the price will continue. Okay, but it was really nice setup actually. Okay, so we will hold our trades because there is a nice potential that the trade will continue to the downside, break that bottom, and then it will reverse to the upside. Okay, so if not, you should follow us because you will be notified in right time. So then you will be able to watch setups. Okay, to watch it by yourself. Okay, so let's move on. Those setups I already told you in the previous weekly outlook, they are not more valid. Okay, Aussie cut, for example, I told you it's not more valid because we took a buy, like I told you in a previous weekly market outlook. So now I again took the sell. Okay, I'm in sell from here, and we will see how the trade will plays out. Okay, so let's see. Okay, one more thing, there is a GBPN. Okay, also that one I haven't updated the chart there, I think. Okay, I didn't. Okay, we were selling here on August 26th, so we were sellers, but then we become a buyers, and there is a nice wave to the upside coming in the potential week. Okay, as you can see that the price has bounces off really aggressively, so now we will just watch for correction and then we will wait, or we will trade to the upside. Okay, so let's move on chart so that I can explain you a bit better. Okay, so let's start from the beginning. USD shift, like I said, we were trading that from the top. I also have entry for here. There is my entry. Okay, it's my entry, and I will be still holding it. Okay, because I see that the price will go tag that bottom. Okay, and what I did, I do not recommend you to enter on that running flat, because that running flat can go just break that bottom, then it will make new higher high, and then it will continue to the downside. Okay, but that, if that scenario will happen, it will take me out on break even. So for you, I do not recommend you that you will take any sell setup at the moment. Okay, so wait, and then wait for the correction, then you should be able to enter that to the downside. Okay, so you can trade all the way back to the downside, but first wait to break that trend line, make a correction, and then trade to the downside. Okay, you should not be taking any sell setups at the moment, because at any time soon that the price can just bounces off, make new higher high, and then it will start falling. Okay, what that means, if you will take a sell, okay, you will put your stop loss somewhere here or here, and if you take a sell, it will take you off. Okay, it will stop you out on break with heated stop loss, and then the price will reverse. Okay, the scenario which could happen, so I do not recommend you to take any sells for now. Wait for the correction, then take your sell to the downside. Okay, let's move on. Gold, as I told you in also in previous weekly market outlook, that the price will go to the upside, tag that top, and then we will see a fall. Okay, so if you didn't watch our weekly outlook, you didn't know for that move. Okay, what we can do now, Okay, we will wait for the correction and then we will trade to the upside. Okay, and then we will watch for reversal. But for now, I don't see that the price is ready to reverse. Okay, but before you will take any buy, do not take them immediately. Okay, wait on the correction because price can just reverse to the downside. Okay, first what you can do, you have to wait for the correction. Okay, without any correction, it will carry risk. Okay, so enter on correction, take the trade to the upside, then take off your profit. Okay, if not, if there won't be any correction, just let it go without you. Okay, so that's all, because the price can just reverse to the downside, so be careful. Okay, so let's move on. Euro Aussie, what do we have here? Okay, it goes like we said. Okay, as I can see, we will have there a correction. Okay, the correction is already done and the price will just continue to the upside. Okay, we'll go take that trend line and then we will see our reverse. Okay, the price can go and make a one new lower low here and then it will continue to the upside. So watch it. If the price will go back to the trend line, watch for your setups and trade to the upside. If not, you are late because you missed that low. Okay, you should be into the trade from that low. Okay, so for now you should not enter, wait for the correction, otherwise just let it go without you. Then you should watch for price action around the trend line for sells. Okay, Euro USD. So what do we have here? That one is a really good chart, but I'm not yet interested to take any sells or take any buys. I will just stay away, stay neutral, because the price will go tag that trend line or it will make completely new lower low. Okay, so what you can do, you can just watch how the price will behave around that trend line. If there we will have any price action, you can take a buy. Okay, otherwise I do not recommend to take any sell setups because price will just go tag that trend line and then it will reverse to the upside. So stay away from sell. Okay, just keep on watching for buy from here or keep watching for buy here. Okay, you will just watch price actions. If there won't be any price action for any of your buy setups, you should not take your buy. Okay, Aussie USD. Okay, there is one more setup. Okay, this is set up for my traders, but I actually didn't take it because I missed it. I was running around, so I forget on that trade, and when it was and started to fall, then I actually remind and see that I missed it. Okay, so that was a nice trade actually. Okay, but I didn't took it, so never mind. Hope you, any of you, take it. If not, wait for the correction, then take the trade to the downside. Okay, but be careful. I will be watching rather now for buy. Okay, we will see maybe one more correction, and then from here we will see a buy. So stay away from sell. I will not take any sells, or if I will get a really nice setup, then I will take a trade to the downside. Otherwise, I will just skip it. Okay, so Euro cat. What do we have here? Okay, that the price will continue to the upside, and then from that line we will watch how the price will behave. Okay, as you can see, okay, the price will go break that bottom, and then we will continue to the upside. We will go tag that trend line, and then from here we will watch if the price will revert to the downside once again, or we will continue to the upside. Okay, so how you can trade? Wait when the price will break that bottom. You will watch for price action, then you can trade to the upside. Okay, pound USD. So what do we have here? Okay, the price is slightly aggressively pushing to the upside, but I want to see a price action so that I will be able to add any trades. Okay, so I want a correction, something like that, then I will be trading to the upside. Okay, that that setup will give us a buy opportunity. Okay, Euro New Zealand. Okay, this is a really nice chart which will reverse to the downside really fast. Okay, so for this week you should keep an eye on that trend line because we are having or we are anticipating a nice wave to the downside. Okay, so you should not move that wave to the downside. There will be a lot of setups into that move because price will go at least break that bottom and then it will reverse to the upside. Okay, but I think that the price will completely go tag that bottom. Okay, so that wave is really nice. Okay, and you should be trading that wave to the downside to break that bottom, and then we will reverse to the upside. Okay, we will reverse to the upside. I'm really sure that we will reverse. We will get some kind of movement like that. Okay, that movement we can expect a movement here. Okay, but before the wave to the downside we cannot expect a wave to the upside. Okay, so for the upcoming weeks and months you should be focusing on your sell setups. Okay, so for that week wait for your price action around that trend line and you can take your sells to the downside. Okay, so let's move forward. Euro GBP, what do we have here? Let me take a look. Okay, there we can expect a correction. Okay, as you can see, you can take a sell. Okay, there you can take a sell, but this is the really short-term sell, and then we will make a big correction. Okay, we can expect that the price will go and make a big correction. So when you will take any sell setups, sell, move on break even, and watch how the price will behave around that previous bottom. Okay, so if you are not skilled enough you should stay away from the trade. Okay, so be careful, but I want a bigger correction before the price will continue to the downside. Okay, we can expect something like that before the trend will continue to the downside. Okay, I want to see something like that before we will continue to the downside. Okay, but for now if you take any short-term sales, take it and move on break even as fast as you can. USD cat, you see what do we have here. Okay, we will see a reversal. Okay, I do expect that the price will go tag that 10 line and then it will fall, but let me see a lower time frame how it will behave over there. Okay, it can go actually break that bottom and then we will see that kind of wave. Okay, so we will watch a break of that top. Okay, that will give us a buy setup, so then we will go and break that trend line and then we can expect a reversal to the downside. Okay, so for now stay away from it. When the price will break the bottom you will watch our price actions for the upside. Okay, so you can make something like that. Okay, you will watch how the price will break or behave around that trend line, then you will watch a wave to the upside to complete that move. Okay, Aussie cat, it started to fall. If you didn't take any sell setups, you missed it, you will be able to enter it here. Okay, but if you didn't, stay away. You want a bigger correction, then you can take a trade to the downside. Okay, at least to that top. I want price to break that bottom and then we will see if the price will reverse or it will still continue to the downside. Okay, so if you will have any 15-minute corrections, okay, if you have something like that, you can take it and take your trade and move your trade on break even as soon as you can. Okay. New Zealand chief. Let's see what's there. Okay, I was expecting that the price will continue to the upside, but the price didn't give me any buy setup and it just reversed to the downside. Okay, but I did expect a reversal to the upside. Okay, what I do, I still expect that the price will make that move. Okay, so what it will do, we will just go tag that bottom and then the price will continue to the upside. Okay, so you should not take any sell setups. You are late. If you didn't, you are late. You should not take it. Wait, the price will go tag that bottom, then you can focus on your buy setups. Otherwise, stay away from it. Cat chief, let me see what's there. There was a nice setup, sell setup. If anyone took it, great. If not, wait. Okay, but you are now a little bit late. You could be take that from that top because now the price will just continue break it and it will just continue to the downside. Okay, so be careful. We will go at least go break that bottom. So be careful. If you take any sell, move them on break even soon as you can, and then watch how the price will behave. Okay, I want that the price will continue to the downside and tag that bottom. Okay, that's my view how the price will behave over there, but it can reverse from breaking of that top, so you have to be careful around that previous bottom. Okay, we can see something like that and then it will reverse. Okay, so keep your eyes on New Zealand USD. As I told you in some previous weekly outlooks, we will see a tag of that trend line. If you were watching our weekly outlooks, you will be able to trade all the way to the downside. If not, stay away, and then you will watch our price action around that trend line because the wave to the upside is really nice. Okay, so do not take any sell setups. You are late. Okay, you are too late to take any sell setups. You can just watch now, tag that trend line because the price will go tag it. There it will reverse and continue to the upside. Okay. If you don't believe us, you can check our previous weekly market outlooks, which are posted on our YouTube channel. So you will see that we were anticipating that the price will go tag that bottom. Okay. Aussie Chief, what do we have here? Price will go back to the downside. Okay, we'll just watch for the correction and the price will go tag that bottom. Okay, so watch for your sell setups. Okay, here, wait for your sell setup, take it and watch how it will behave around previous bottom. Okay, I will take off my profit when the price will come to that bottom. Okay, year end, what do we have here? So let me check a daily. Hmm. Okay, without any correction, you should not take your sells, okay? Because the price can reverse to the upside, okay? If you won't get any sell setup, okay, we want the correction here to take our trades to the downside. Sorry, I got disconnected by my microphone. Okay, I'm back. I'm sorry. If you will not get any confirmations for your sell, you should not take it. Okay, because the price can reverse to the upside and tag that trend line at any time soon. So be careful on that chart. Aussie New Zealand. Okay, that chart was also explained in our previous weekly market outlook, how it will behave, and it behaves as the same I showed you in our weekly market outlooks. Okay, so if you are watching us with our weekly market outlooks and if you are smart enough, you can take some money from that from just watching our weekly market outlooks. Okay, if you are not, then you should study much more. Okay, so let me see what was here. There I was watching for sell setup, but I took it and then I closed it on break even. Okay, why? Because I took my sell and then the price just went up and went back on my break even. I close it because I see that the price will go make new higher high and then it will reverse. So what now? I will again watch for sell setup. Okay, so there is no price action at the moment. So let me see. No, there is no price action. The price can go tag that trend line again, make new higher high, and then it will reverse to the downside. Okay, so be careful. For now, I don't see any sell setups. Okay, so watch, price will go make new higher high, and then it will reverse to the downside. So be careful. Okay, watch it. You should not miss that move. It's really nice move to the downside. Okay, for at least that kind of movement. Okay, you can expect a move to the downside at least to break that bottom, and then we will continue to the upside. Otherwise, you should stay away. Okay, so let's see. Price will go a bit higher. Okay, if you will have that kind of scenario, we will see a new higher high. Otherwise, I will start taking some sells to see how the price will behave around that trend line because it can go and tag that bottom and then it will continue to the upside. So you should be watching it on lower time frame, okay, to see how it will behave. USDN, okay, there was a one sell setup. If anyone took it, nice. Put your trade on break even and you will see how the price will behave. Okay, so for the upcoming week, if you'll get any sell setups, take it and move them on break even because the price will go tag that bottom. Okay, so any sell setup you will get in upcoming week, you can take it and move them on break even. Okay, pound yen, there is the same on all yen pairs. We are expecting a reverse to the downside. Okay, so all yen pairs, if you will have a confirmation, correction, you can take your sells. Otherwise, you should not. Do not chase that running candles. Okay, you should not chase those running candles. You should wait on a correction, then take your sells. Okay, pound Aussie. What do we have here? Let me check daily. Okay, as I told you also in weekly outlook, if you were listening to me, you made out nice money and now you will watch how the price will behave. Okay, but as I can see there, it will be one more high and then we can expect a reversal. Okay, that was everything from our previous weekly market outlooks. You can just watch. If you don't believe us, you can just watch and you will see how we anticipate that move. Okay, I will again watch make new higher high and then it will reverse to the downside. Okay, as I can see that the price is not ready yet. Okay, we can do something like that and then we will make new high and then we will start falling. Okay, so yeah, you should watch your lower time frame. Okay, because the chart will tell you on a exactly time what will happen. Your job is actually that you will have to read it correctly. Okay, if you don't know how to read it correctly, you should study. If not, if you have no any if you don't have any ideas how to, you can join our trading community. Okay, we will help you to improve your trading skills. Okay, so let's move forward. Pound cat for our, let me see. Okay, I do expect a bit bigger correction. Okay, but there it can be a running flat and that the price will continue to the upside, so be careful, stay away from it. Okay, Later on, when you will get a buy setup, you can take it, otherwise stay away, because there it can be a running flat, okay, and the price can continue to the upside. So be careful. New Zealand cat, okay, we break the low, we have a new lower low. So what should we expect? We expect a reversal, okay. So if you trade that wave, now you can watch for the reversal, okay. You will watch at least for that kind of move, okay. So do not buy immediately, okay. Just watch for price action, okay. When you will have a price action, you can trade to the upside, otherwise stay away from it, okay. Pound chief, what do we have here? Okay, we will see a wave to the downside. Okay, what can we expect? We can expect a big deep correction, and then we will see a trend which will continue to the upside, okay. So let me see. Yes, of course, we will see a wave to the upside, okay. So what can we expect? First, this week we will see a sell, then when the correction will be over, we will expect a wave to the upside, okay. There I took my buy, but I ended up on break even. I took off my profit because I see that there is a strong reversal coming, so I take off my profit, okay. So I'm out of that trade, and what I will do, I will expect now that wave this week, okay, and after that I will expect wave to the upside, okay. So that's all for now on pound chief. Your chief, you see, if you get any sell setup, take it, okay. We are going to the downside. If you get any sell setup, you can take it and watch that bottom how the price will behave, okay. Aussie yen, there was also a nice sell setup. If anyone took it, great. The others, you should not jump into the sell, wait for the correction, and then continue to the downside, okay. There will be a much more to add, okay. We'll go take that bottom, okay. Cadian, continue to the downside, watch it how the price will behave, okay. We can go make that correction, and then we will continue to the downside. So do not jump into your sell at the moment, okay. Stay away from it, okay. Wait for the correction. When the correction will appear, you will be able to sell it, okay. Without any correction on lower time frame, you should not jump into the trade, okay. So you will wait for at least 5 minutes or 15-minute correction before you will take any of your sell setups, okay. Chief yen, okay. We are still sticking to our sell, and I will be a seller for a long time, okay. I will still watch for my sell setups because the price will continue to the downside, okay. We will go at least break that bottom, okay, but I expect much more. There's much more to come, but I will be careful around that previous bottom how the price will behave, and then I will decide if we will turn to the upside or the price will continue to make new lower low, okay, to break that bottom. New Zealand yen, okay. There wasn't any there isn't any setup for now, okay. You can just watch for correction and then join the trade to the downside, okay. We will go at least tag that bottom, and then from here we will see some kind of flat correction, okay. Flat correction, okay. But first I want to see a tag of bottom. So for the upcoming week I will take short-term sell setups, okay. But without any correction, you should not jump into the trade, so keep your eyes on a lower time frame, okay. Pound New Zealand, what do we have here? Okay, the price, it started to push higher from our previous weekly outlook, you should be a buyer from all those setups. If you are not, then that's your fault, and you should watch now for a bit bigger correction. Then you can join a wave to the upside. Okay, you should wait for at least 1 hour correction to join the trade, but be careful. Your spot for buying is really risky. I would rather recommend you that you will wait for a much more bigger correction if you would like to hold your trades for a while, like I did from here, and then you will see how the price will behave. Okay, so I think that's all for now. XAUSD, silver, it will reverse to the upside, same as the gold. Okay, you will watch how the price will behave, then you will take a buy setups because we will go at least break that top. Okay, so be careful. Okay, but without any buy setup, you should not take your buys. Okay, SP 500, what do we have here? Okay, I think, let me see. Okay, we will reverse to the downside, so I do not recommend you to take your buy setups. Okay, there are a buy setup in the making, but you just have to skip it. Okay, do not watch it because we'll make new high and then the price will reverse aggressively to the downside. Okay, so I will just erase those lines. Okay, what we do, we will just go make new high and then it will reverse to the downside. Okay, because the price will do at least that kind of movement before the price will continue to the downside. But I don't see that there is any more a wave to the upside. Okay, I want to see a deep fall before. Okay, so I think that's all for you now. I hope that you will watch any of potential setups which I showed you for the upcoming week, and if you are interested for our course, you are welcome. We will help you and support you with training videos, and we are having every day a daily webinar where my traders can ask me everything what they want, and I show them daily setups, how they need to trade, how they need to be careful, and they can ask any questions about their setups. And we are also having a trading videos, like I showed you. There are many trading videos which they can watch and learn from them, and they are doing really well actually. Okay, and so if you are interested in our training course, you can just simply choose one of these options. Okay, one-on-one or group trading. Okay, so for the next week, I do wish you a lot of luck and have a nice day. Okay, take care. Bye bye.